How to set reminders in Google Calendar application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to make sure you never miss an important event or task in Google Calendar, then you can easily set reminders in it. First of all, launch open Google Calendar app on your phone. You can also go open it on your computer and log into your account with your Google account's credentials. Once you're inside the home page or the calendar page, which looks like this, go ahead and tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner and tap on Event to create a new event, or if you want to do it on an existing event, go ahead and select one from your calendar. I'm just opening up one of my existing events. On your new event, go ahead and fill in all of the information for your event. For your existing event, tap on the pencil icon at the top right and go ahead and scroll down and click on Add a Notification. Once you do that, you'll see this pop up. Choose when you want to be reminded. It can be day of the event, the day before the event, or a week before. Choose any one option. Or if you want to add a custom notification, select Custom and enter your time with the help of the toggle menu. I'm just going to select one of the options from the top, and you can also add multiple reminders so you never forget. To add another notification, tap on the Add Another Notification option and choose a different option. After you're done with the notification setting, tap on Save at the top right to save your changes. So that's it. You're all set to stay on top of your schedule with Google Calendar reminders. No more missed meetings or forgotten plans. Just a smooth, organized day ahead. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.